Good afternoon, dear members of the jury and participants of the APCYS-2021 conference. My name is Danil Semenkov. I am 11th grader, Lyceum number 24 in Nuremberg and full member of the Sakha Junior Science Academy. I would like to present my research project on the plastic recycle. Plastic waste has become very abundant and the problem of recycling is very acute. In Russia, only 1% of plastic waste is recycled. To conduct the research, I prepared a prototype of a melting station for melting different types of plastic into bars. To do this, I studied the theoretical basic of making extrusion plants and Arduino. After making this tube, I studied the chemical properties of plastic and found out that by dipping different types of plastic into different liquids, they exhibit different properties. So you can sort the plastic without marking, and also that the melting and crystallization temperature of different plastic differs. In the course of my research, I studied the chemical properties of plastic and how they are used. Thank you for attention.